This is not about the drama of a miracle. It is about the quiet transformation of our destiny. 1 minute, one masterpiece, one modern idea. Caravaggio takes us inside the dark, grim room of the tax collector, Matthew. Suddenly, a beam of light cuts through the darkness, and Jesus enters, pointing at Matthew, calling him to follow. In disbelief, Matthew's mundane routine is interrupted with the chance for transformation. But he is not shouting. The silent choice is still formulating inside him. What will he choose? Today, we are bombarded by noise. Everything wants to influence and enlighten us. We set short-term goals and long-term life plans, hoping to somehow escape our treacherous routines. We're surrounded by fake lights that seem to promise salvation. Caravaggio reminds us that transformation is not a spectacle and does not arrive on our schedule. It arrives quietly in the middle of all the noise. Change begins with attention. It is awareness and quiet decisions that shift our destiny. So pause, look up, see clearly, then choose differently. And that is why it matters.